today we will start with the remaining three organelles, that is lysosomes, ribosomes and vacuoles. Okay, so first we will see lysosomes. Okay, lysosomes, the word lysosome has been discovered by the scientist Kristen D. Dewey in the year 1955. The word lysosome has come from two Greek words, lysis, lysis means digestive, and soma, soma means body. So the word lysosome has been derived from the two Greek words, namely lysis and soma. Lysis means to get digested and soma means body. So the body which is responsible for digesting or digestion is known as lysosomes. It is a single membrane bound structure. It is having a single layer. Okay, if you see, it is having a single layer. Now the main function of lysosome is that it contains digestive enzymes. It is a single membrane bound structure. You can see here, these are the digestive enzymes. It contains so many enzymes which are responsible for breaking down of complex substance into simple substance. So this digestive enzymes are responsible for breaking the complex substances into the simple substances. Okay, not only that, these enzymes destroy the damaged cells and hence they are called suicidal bags of the cell. If any cell is being damaged, or it is being injured, or it is being wounded, then what happens? This lysosome is present inside the cell, so the cell will give stimulus to the lysosomes, and lysosomes will burst and they will secrete its digestive enzymes which will digest its cell because it is damaged or injured. That's why the other name of lysosome is suicidal bags of cells. So that's why it is known as suicidal bags of cells. And the process by which it digests or it breaks the cell is known as autolysis. Auto means self, lysis means break. The lysosomes are responsible for breaking the cells of its own on its own. That's why this process is known as autolysis, and that's why they are known as suicidal bags of cell. The second organelle is ribosomes. Okay, these ribosomes are not membrane bound. They doesn't have any membrane. They are the smallest microscopic particles. Okay, it was called as ribosomes by the scientist G. Palladay in the year 1955. Okay, these are smallest electromicroscopic structures or particles that are not bound by any membrane. Instead, they are either found in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, or they are found free floating in the cytoplasm. So they are either present in the cytoplasm or they are also attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, and such endoplasmic reticulum is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. And the last cell organelle is vacuoles. The word vacuole has come from the Latin word vacuus, which means empty. Okay, these are the empty single membrane bound structures. These are also single membrane bound structures. Okay, and these are hollow. They doesn't contain anything inside them, but instead they are acting as the storage units. So if plant is having any kind of storage, or if animal cell is having any kind of storage, food or anything, so it is being stored in the vacuoles. Vacuoles are found in plant cell as well as it is also found in animal cell. In plant cell, it is single, only one is present, central, it is present at the center of the cell, and it is large, a single but large vacuole is present, and it is known as sap vacuole, filled with cell sap. Okay, so the vacuole which is found in the plant cell, it is known as sap vacuole, and its content is known as cell sap. Okay, and in animal cell, it is small and it is many in number. Since they are very small in shape, size, so they are many in number. Okay, now in plant cell, since they are single, so there are three types of vacuoles found. One is food vacuole, gas vacuole and contractile vacuole. Okay, as the name suggests, food vacuole, you know that food vacuole stores food. It may be starch, or it may be glycogen, it may be any kind of food, and it is generally found in amoeba. Okay, if the food vacuole is having solid, then it is known as phagosome, and if it is liquid food, if it stores liquid food, then it is known as spinosome. Okay, food vacuole is generally found in amoeba. Okay, the second type of vacuole is gas vacuole. As the name suggests, these vacuoles are having gas, and these are generally found in aquatic plants such as lotus. You know, lotus leaves floats in water. It is only because of the presence of this gas vacuole. Okay. And the third type of vacuole is contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole is generally found in freshwater protozoans such as paramecium. They are responsible for excretion, for excreting the waste products from the body of this paramecium. This vacuole contains waste products, so it is known as contractile vacuole. So we have seen that in plant cell there are three types of vacuole present: food vacuole, gas vacuole, and contractile vacuole. Food vacuole stores food, gas vacuole carries gas, and contractile vacuole helps in the excretion as they carry the waste products. Okay. And this cell sap, the covering of the vacuole is known as tonoplast. Okay. And cell sap, it contains water and minerals like sugars, salts dissolved in it. So that concentration is known as, that mixture is known as cell sap. So today we have discussed about lysosomes, which are single membrane bound structures, and they are known as suicidal bags of the cell because they help in the digestion of this injured cell or damaged cells. Second type is ribosomes. They are non-membrane bound structures. They help in the protein synthesis. So ribosomes are also known as protein factory of a cell. Okay. And the third type is vacuole, which is also a single membrane bound structure whose membrane is known as tonoplast, and it is of different kinds based on its function. Okay, so this is about the today's remaining three organelles.